Divine Assistance Meditation. Part 1. The Light. Initial recommendations. Gift yourself this space with love. You deserve it. If you have pending matters, schedule them for after this session. Practice this meditation daily if possible. Find a quiet place, silent and free of distractions. Sit on your sitting bones with a straight spine. Keep your shoulders low. Stop if you feel any discomfort. Do not judge yourself or anything. If your mind wanders, gently return to the meditation. Be patient with yourself. Let's begin. Close your eyes slowly and softly. Pay attention to my words so you feel guided, accompanied, and supported. We'll start with a 3-phase nasal breathing exercise. Inhale, hold, and exhale. Inhale slowly through your nose as I count to 5. Then hold the air in your body as I count to 5. Complete the cycle by exhaling as I count to 8. We'll do 5 full cycles. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, inhale through your nose while tensing your entire body. Hands, legs, hips. Then exhale through your mouth, fully relaxing. We'll do 6 cycles. Inhale and tense. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale and relax. 1, 2. Inhale and tense. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale and relax. 1, 2. Inhale and tense. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale and relax. 1, 2. Inhale and tense. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale and relax. 1, 2. Inhale and tense. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale and relax. 1, 2. Inhale and tense. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale and relax. 1, 2. From this moment, let your body breathe freely. Imagine God gifting you a bright white light, a large sphere covering your body, surrounding and protecting you. Feel this light on your head, neck, shoulders, arms, forearms, hands, chest, back, hips, legs, and feet. Your entire body is covered. This light relaxes, protects, and calms you. This light rests before your eyes, giving you clarity to see with love, respect, and compassion. You'll see without distortions from fears or prejudices. Increasingly, you'll perceive reality as it is, guiding you toward truth and wisdom. Now, the light enters through your crown, illuminating your interior, cell by cell. It flows gently down, filling your head, brain, eyes, nose, mouth, teeth, healing, relaxing. Descends through your neck, throat, spine, muscles. Now lights your torso, lungs, heart, stomach, intestines, kidneys, reproductive system, all your organs, tissues, bones, nerves, functioning in fullness. The light covers shoulders, arms, hands, then hips, thighs, knees, legs, feet. Feel your entire body filled with light, relaxed, healed, full of love and peace. From now on, this light will generate in you more loving emotions, deeper empathy, lasting serenity. You'll live a happier, fuller, and more harmonious life. In this wonderful state, bring your attention to your third eye, the point between your eyebrows. Keep your focus there. If distracted, return lovingly, without judgment. Remain in silence for 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes, I will guide you to end your meditation. Remember, you love yourself. You are patient. You forgive yourself and others. You see life with love. You are happy. Allow yourself to feel it. You are evolving. You are intelligent. You trust yourself. You believe in yourself. Become aware of your body, your mind, your space. Open your eyes very slowly. Practice this meditation often to multiply its benefits.